Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T Mike. I'm making another video today. Today's video is going to be episode 5 of the Bubba motor. That's right, the 5th episode of this Bubba motor. And the problem is going to be the gear case is not working properly. I'm going to explain that to you in a minute. But just to give you a little background on the first 4 episodes, I've had to replace the power head. I had to fix the spring on the starter. I had to replace the cork in the carburetor. I've had all kind of issues with this 1941 Evinrude 3.3 horsepower. That's for Harvey and Beaumont. And I've made an episode on each one of the major problems. Thought I had it made in episode 4. I got it running, ran really good. I go to put it in the water and I put the prop on. I put the prop on the gear case here and it spins. So this motor doesn't have a neutral or reverse or forward. It's in gear all the time. When you pull the rope on it, it takes off. So the prop or the prop shaft sitting here should be catching. It should be catching the gears. It shouldn't be free like that. There's no shift. There's no way to shift this motor. So I had to replace the power head, but the shaft and all of this stayed the same, and it fit on the power head fit on the drive shaft. So I don't see what I could have done that caused this not to do. But anyway, I'm going to take the gear case off right here and see if the drive shaft spins, whether it's disconnected up in the power head or down in the gear case. So if you're ready for episode 5, here we go. Alright, so I'm going to take a screwdriver, I'm going to take the 4 screws that hold the gear case in out, and we're going to see what we find. There's the gear case, came right off. And the drive shaft is stuck. I'm gonna get a pair of pliers. So the drive shaft is connected in the power head. I can't spin it, but I see a pin missing right here. I'll bring you up close and show you. See right here? Got a woodruff key. There's a woodruff key missing. That's the problem. I just got to figure out how to get that woodruff key in here and then slip this on and it ought to catch. It's catching now. All right, I think I got it figured out. Let's take the gear case inside and take her apart, find out where that woodruff key went. Now we're having fun. So the woodruff key was down inside the prop. I rotated the drive shaft, slipped it back down, and it caught on the woodruff key. Now the prop is, oh, it was. Now it's spinning again. not working. Gotta look at it some more. Okay, so I brought the motor inside and took the gear case apart. So here's the forward gear that sticks in there, and it had a pinion gear on it right here that would go like this on the drive shaft, and there's the slot for it. There's the slot. Here's the slot on the drive shaft right here. So I tried the closest Woodruff key I could find is this one. I tried putting it in. And then slipping it on, but it wouldn't fit. It would not fit. So what I need a straight, not a rounded Woodruff key. I need a straight pin. Straight pin. So I ordered a set of them on Amazon. Hopefully they'll come in where I can slip this pinion gear on. So a work in progress, episode 5 on the Bubba motor. Well, my square drive pins came in. The smallest one in the pack is the one I need, but it's too long. So I took one out to my grinder and I grinded it down to just the right size. Just the right size I need. So now I have to get it all together. So that drive pin's got to slide on this shaft. The shaft's got to go through there and catch that pin to hold it together. So it's going to be a kind of a trick, because I got to put the gear case on and then get the pinion gear down in there. It's going to be a trick. I'll set up my camera and show you how I got to get it done. Alright, I'm gonna slip the gear case on. I got the slot facing down. Put the gear case on. Now they got a washer. Goes on first. Okay. Here's my pinion gear. Pinion gear with the pin in it. This got to go in like this. I'm hoping to hold it with a pair of pliers. In that position, back this out, drop it in, I think I got it. think I got it. I'm gonna go pull the rope and see if that gear turns. Tell me if it turns. I can't see it from over there. Did it turn? Did y'all see it turn? Tell me the truth. Did it turn? I saw it. It turned. I'm gonna put the gear case back here to see if the prop spins. I had to pull the handle to make the forward gear slide into that pinion. All right, I'm gonna go pull the rope, see if this drive shaft, if this, this prop shaft turns. Yay, we got her done. All right, I'm gonna put the prop on it, and we're gonna take her out and see if she will push a boat. And then we can get the Bubba motor done. Stay tuned, I'm bringing it outside now. Alright, I got the Bubba motor on the Missy boat. I'm gonna take her out for a spin. I think we got everything just right. I think we got all the problems fixed. This will conclude episode 5. Episode 6 will be on the water. Stay tuned for more. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. You know, my mission here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards is to have every part, every video, and every parts manual you need to repair, service, and restore your vintage outboard motors. And I think I'm there. I think I have it. So the best way to reach me is at my website, tmikesvintageoutboards.com. It's the first link down below in the description. On that website, I have all the links you need to contact me, provide the information I need for your one-stop shopping, all right? You can find all my parts right there. I have a parts broker link where you can submit a form to me to look for your hard-to-find parts. I have a mail-in repair link where you can click on it, talk about shipping your part to me for repair. I have a technical consulting link where you can donate to my site and ask me technical questions and get an answer. I also have a restorations link. You can click on that if you want me to restore your motor. I can give you the information you need to do that. So my website is a wonderful thing. Please click on it, go to it in order to contact me. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.